Hello guys, welcome to AcuTech. Today I'm going to teach you how to rotate your text and your values in Microsoft Excel. Sometime we need to make our table and the data stylish. This is the sort of format you just have seen in thumbnails, that you can rotate your text and values in Microsoft Word like we have. Okay, so let's have a see how we can do that. First of all, if I want to rotate and make this text rotate, so what you have to do, select the table column, specific column, and you can just go to home table where you can see orientation, and just click here and you can see what sort of rotation you want, like angle counterclockwise. So just click here, you can see here, and then just make just space with this. And then same time, if you don't like this, so what you have to do is click here and then click anti-clockwise, and not if the vertical text, if you want like this. And obviously if I want this text in this form, and name as well vertical if you want, basic salary if you want in vertical like this, basic salary. And then if you want to change this name and the basic salary values, so you can change this like this. You can see David's salaries, and if you want to make like this, if you even change by choice, then what you have to do, first let me check it like this, and then like this. Okay, so if you want to make it more rotate and if you're looking for the more option, then what you have to do, just click here and then format cell alignment, click here, and then you can see here's the orientation degree. You can change it, so you can change the orientation by yourself. Like if I want 15 degree up and 30 degrees, just click here, you can see and 30 degrees up. If you don't like this, then just Control Z for undo, and then select here like this angle if you want, then just go and just make the text like this. So this is how you can make your table this sort of format if you want. So make it more close, and then you can see wrap text. Now make it more bigger. Now you can see this sort of format applied on your table. So if you want to move it back, then just click here and then format cell again, and now you can see it's moved down to the normal range. You can see this. Hope so you like